Hello everyone, Luke Smith here, and it's actually trying to find my original one. Yes, no, another present. This is the fourth unboxing I'm doing, and the last unboxing I'm doing, because I'm pretty much knackered. I just want to get all these videos on my computer so I can edit them whenever I like, and basically chill out for the rest of the night. I'll start editing tomorrow. I'll probably edit and render out 2 videos tomorrow, and another 2 videos on Sunday, and then I will get a video out on Sunday and the rest during the week, but no videos on New Year's Eve or New Year's Day. I want to have a chill out day them days. Anyway, this is a Veritar digital camcorder with camera, 690 HD. I've got no idea what that means, but I think this is just normal HD quality. Now, if you remember, I think I've got new subscribers now. I'm not quite sure if I've still got the old ones. Many years ago, I got my first pocket camcorder, and that was a waterproof one, the same as this. This is waterproof up to 10 feet, 4x digital zoom, 2-inch preview screen, built-in microphone. Well, obviously, otherwise you wouldn't have the camcorder on it. You know, I have opened this just to check the contents before recording, due to the seal being broken. But everything is in here. Now, you can upload at Press for a Button to Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. It's funny because I don't think Twitter accepts videos anymore, but it has been a long time. And it uses SD card, and you can link it, all that stuff. Look how happy they are. 3 face recognition boxes, there you go. I bet you they never knew each other. You got information here. It is available for Windows 7. I'm not quite sure for Windows 8, but I have got a Windows 7 computer, and it basically has all them contents. It's got software inside as well, which is weird because I have not got any software installation discs for some time. It's a bit weird them supplying it with this, because normally you would have to download it from the website, what they suggest. Anyway, this is the camcorder itself. I'll get into that later. So let me just take all these parts out. Now, what's unique about this? You get a little pouch carrying case with it. Let's have a look inside, because I think I felt something in there. I'm not quite sure what it is. Oh, it's a little strap. Okay. That's pleasant. It's a nice padded case. I'll keep it in there forever. We have the power adapter. I'm not quite sure if this takes batteries or not. I have not really checked. Yeah, this is a USB plug, and a little charging thing. I think that lights up when it's fully charged. In this little package here, we have, open and drop. This little package, we have, I'm pretty sure this is a charging cable and the sync cable. Connect it up to your computer. It's a standard cable for it. What is this? I have no idea what this is. It looks like a wrist strap for it. Little strap that you can put onto your wrist. This is like rubber feeling. There you go. There we are. Yeah, this is probably going on your wrist. So that is quite good. Okay, so we got in here. And this is so you can connect it up to your TV. You got your video in and your audio just one side, and that goes into your device. So that is quite nice. And with everything, you got warranties, safety instructions, stickers, you got information about other products. Oh, we got loads of paperwork in here for foreign language documents, and a great big book in here, and that has got all your information and everything in it. And here's your disc. So let us have a little look. It does look like this doesn't take batteries, it just takes you just charge it up and it lasts for some time. It's got a decent old lens on it. It's a bit smudged, I'm not quite sure why. This might have been a product that was on the shelves and it was like the last one there, so they thought, oh, well, I'll just take it. Yeah, so it's got a decent-ish screen on it, the analog stick and the buttons. You got menu here, you got mode, you got on and off, you got trash, you got flash, you got zoom in and out, and you got TV, oh yeah, multi-burst mode, and nothing on the back. Side is your lanyard port. Oh, here we are. This is for your other port. Okay, so it was stuck. It was meant to be slid all that way, but it got stuck. Okay, so we have your TV input here, and your charging port here. Also, what's nifty is it? Oh, come on. Is that a... Seriously. You gonna come out or not? I'd have to poke it with this knife. See if we can actually release it. There we are. Oh, that's handy. Comes with a 2GB SD card. What I will do, I will put that in my Wii, the console, and so I can back up saves onto it. I will use a bigger card for this, but in this case I will actually keep that in. So yeah, I will keep that in. Just in case I decide to use it. Okay, as usual with all my cameras and camcorders and that, you will be getting a video test and a photo test from this, with complete sound and experiences, and a review sometime in the future. So hopefully you've enjoyed this unboxing of the Vivitar digital pocket camcorder and camera. Hopefully you liked it. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time. Until then, see you guys.